Welcome. I'd like to talk to you about simplifying cube roots. Before we get into looking at some examples, there's a few other things we need to look at. One thing is, if we have the square root of 9, some terminology, this symbol here is called the radical symbol, and the 9's referred to as the radicand. Here's another example. This is a cube root. We know that's because there's a 3 here. This is a cube root of 27, and 3 is referred to as the index. For square roots, there's no number wrote down here, and it's understood to be a 2. Square root of 9 is asking you what number times itself gives you 9. Cube root of 27, what number do you multiply 3 times itself to get 27? When we're going to be simplifying cube roots, we're going to be needing to use the product rule for radicals, which applies to cube roots, which says cube root of a times b equals cube root of a times cube root of b. And for simplifying cube roots, you'll find it handy to have a list of perfect cubes available. For example, 8 is equal to 2 cubed. 27 equals 3 cubed. 64 is 4 cubed. 125 is 5 cubed. 216 is 6 cubed. And you can make this list as long as you need to, but you'll find it handy to have this on a piece of paper or an index card while you're trying to solve cube roots. Let's look at an example where we want to simplify cube root. Let's look at, say, the cube root of 54. Okay, if we want to simplify this, what we want to do is find the biggest perfect cube number that will go into 54 with a remainder of 0, or find the largest perfect cube factor of 54. Well, the answer is 27 will go in there 2 times. And so we rewrite this as the cube root of 27, and the other factor, let's see, was 2. And we can use the product rule down here for radicals and rewrite this as the cube root of 27 times cube root of 2. The cube root of 27 is 3, and we have cube root of 2 left over. If we look at another example, let's say we have the cube root of 48. Okay, we want to simplify this. Well, you look at your list of perfect cubes. What's the largest perfect cube factor of 48? Well, the answer is 8. 8 will go into 48 6 times. So we can rewrite the cube root of 48 as cube root of 8 times 6. And we can use the product rule for radicals and write that as the cube root of 8 times cube root of 6. Cube root of 8 is 2, and we have cube root of 6 left over. Well, I hope this helps. Bye.